In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Drive videos in Google Sites. If you've got a video stored in Google Drive and want it to play right on your Google site, this simple workflow will get it on the page and looking great. We'll keep things straightforward while covering the little details that make the result clean and professional. Start by opening your site in Google Sites so you're in the editor view. You'll see your site layout, the page canvas in the center, and the insert panel on the right. This is where you'll add content blocks, including your video. Head to the page where you want the video to appear. You can switch pages using the Pages tab or your site's navigation. Pick the exact spot on the page that makes sense for your viewers, above the fold for something important, or within a section that gives your video the right context. If the page is already structured, think about how the video will fit with existing text or images. Now, in the right-hand insert panel, click Insert, then choose Drive. This opens the Google Drive picker, which shows your files and folders. You can browse by My Drive, Shared Drives, or use the Recent view if you uploaded the video recently. The search bar is handy if you have lots of files. Type the video name to find it quickly. Select your video file in the picker. You'll see a preview thumbnail or file details, which helps confirm you've chosen the right one. When you're sure it's the correct file, click Insert. Google Sites will place the video block onto your page exactly where your cursor was, and you'll see a playable preview card appear. With the video now on the page, adjust the size and position so it fits your layout. Drag the blue handles on the corners to resize while maintaining proportions, or use the side handles for finer control. You can click and drag the block to reposition it, and the alignment guides will help you keep everything neat. Consider centering the video for focus, or aligning it beside text for a split layout. If your section is crowded, give the video a bit of breathing room so it stands out. A quick tip, Google Sites saves your changes automatically, and the embedded player uses Google Drive's viewer. If someone later can't play the video, it's usually due to viewing permissions in Drive, so keep your audience's access in mind. That's all it takes to embed a Drive video in Google Sites. Open your site, go to your page, choose Insert and Drive, pick your video, and then fine-tune the placement. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating a more engaging site.